Do you know fibromyalgia is an invisible chronic unwellness and a well-recognized disease that affects around 3% to 5% proportionality of the universe of the whole mankind? The symptoms of this illness are intense affects muscles and swear pain in body, causes poor quality of sleep and tiredness, bother concentrating on things, memory failure and important compassion, fatigue and weariness. In simple words, it is an autoimmune disorder. The symptoms of this disease differ from one patient to another patient. If you are a target of fibromyalgia and you feel pain in the chest, you essential to see this issue as soon as possible to the doctor and get the assurance that you have a healthy heart. There are many reasons of pain in the chest. This pain can be occurred due to chronic heart disease or can be a present for chronic sickness such as fibromyalgia. The pain in the chest come due to fibromyalgia is called costochondritis. You must know this is the more harmless disease. Costochondritis is also notable as musculoskeletal or non-cardiac chest discomfort. This pain is causes due to the muscles issues, so this pain is not belonging to any heart problem. A new study shows that 30% of the patients with a disorder of chest is hurting hit costochondritis. This disease caused painfulness around the rib cage, breastbone, and sternum due to the inflammation. Symptoms of costochondritis. There are a few symptoms of costochondritis that are presented beneath. Pain equivalent wounding or pain of strong workout. Sensation of burning or inflammation. Swear or mild chest pain. Stretched muscles. Tightness in the pectus. Pain in stomach comes and go. Hurting low with sure-footed and light breathing. Pain gets worsened with the deep inhaling, movement or with pressure. Pain starts from one side and rotates in a whole body to become a complete painful area. Although the costochondritis is a familiar problem in the patients of fibromyalgia, but please do not ignore it. You must consult with the doctor as soon as possible. It can be a existence that feeling pain in chest caused by any heart problem, so do not take it gently. Must consult with doctor and know the real causes behind this chest pain. Causes of costochondritis. As there is effort are continuing the causes and factors behind the fibromyalgia, costochondritis reasons are also undiscovered. The researchers believe that there are both elements that are commonly a cause of this unwellness or pain. These elements are discussed below. Inherited. One most popular reason behind this chronic illness that this decrease is belong to your parent or inheritance. They believe that the cerebrate behind the fibromyalgia, costochondritis or additional specified diseases is inheriting few genes causing this disease from the family. Trauma or hurt. When our muscles are powerless, and we have any vitamin deficiency, then we become a patient of chronic illness that is fibromyalgia. If we had a happening event which has destroyed our neurological system or muscular system, that can also lead us to the fibromyalgia or costochondritis. Illness or infections that affects the nervous system. When the nervous system of your body does not deal properly, you can easily become a patient of costochondritis. With the damage of your nervous system grouping, your system of controlling illness and pains becomes stop. It does not control the symptom of pain in your body as properly as it should do. You must inquire your doctor as shortly as possible so that you can save yourself from not maintainable damage to your nerves. Stress and grief. If you are in inflection or depression and stress, then you have more chances of fibromyalgia or costochondritis. I will directly target your body and create a pain in muscular tissues and can also create the costochondritis. Treatment. The best practices behind the communicated treatment of the fibromyalgia or costochondritis is to limit the pain in body, controlling such symptoms and giving the training to the patients to mess with his sickness on his own. Relievers of pain. The patients of fibromyalgia or costochondritis suffered from wicked or chronic pain, thus doctors are delivered pain relievers to their patients by to reduce the feeling of pain temporarily. Obligation in examine the pain reliever that are used for this chronic pain is used only by the prescription of doctors. Physical therapy. Exercising is a useful treatment to peck with the fibromyalgia or chest hurting caused by costochondritis. The exercises will help us to build our stamina against this illness and gives us the capability to deal with this prolonged pain caused by the fibromyalgia disease. Counseling. Your painful unhealthiness can move you towards depression. You must consult a specialist for special counseling and can find a way to get out of this depression. You can get your status with your psychiatrist. The psychiatrist gift improves you to learn to elastic with this disease in a whole way and will support you to deal with your impression and inflection. Important note. Fibromyalgia caused chest pain by affecting the muscles of the chest region. When the gristle that joins the breastbone to ribs are affected by the fibromyalgia, then it becomes a make of costochondritis disease. Though, costochondritis, you already know that this is not a dangerous disease anymore, but it is eventful to you that you will take it seriously. In occurrence of any type of chest pain, you have just directly visit to see your physician and let him examine whether they represent for the pain is costochondritis or something else. Thank you for listen this. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.